Mickey, do you want to listen to the radio for now? Oh, yes I can. I can listen to the radio. Let's go listen to the radio. Click. I don't have to turn me. Introducing news. The hiccup quarantine is all ready. Hiccup quarantine? Oh no, we can't go outside, SpongeBob. We don't want to get hiccups. Oh no. Did I hear someone having hiccups? Someone having hiccups? Who's that? Oh, you have hiccups? Maybe? Are those normal hiccups? No, I think I'm acting them. There you go. Go, unicorn. Go. Hiccups? Okay. What do you say, SpongeBob? Oh, I think you're in a hiccup quarantine. I have to take you to the doctor. The doctors? Okay, SpongeBob. The doctor will cure these hiccups. Okay, looks like you got the hiccup quarantine. Let's see if it's the... let's see again. It smells like pepperoni. No, those are normal hiccups. Hiccups is when you just sneeze. Hiccup quarantine. Hiccup COVID is when you have hiccups and sneezing. Oh, maybe I just have normal hiccups. Yeah, you have to cure them, but you can't cure hiccup quarantine. Right. Oh, I get hiccups. No. Oh, I get hiccups. Oh, I get hiccups. I'm scared to have hiccups. No. I mean, have it. But there's no such thing as hiccup quarantine. How do you do that? There is such thing now. Well... how do you get rid of them? Okay, stand upside down like last time you did. Stand upside down. Stand upside down. They're annoying. They're so annoying. I hate them. Oh, food hiccups. Annoying. Alright. I'm gonna hold your breath. Just keep holding your breath. Keep holding your breath. Keep holding your breath. Oh, scaring you. I never really scared you, didn't I? It'll work. Watch. Boo! Uh-oh. How are this? Wait, they're gone. Yay! Okay. Then don't touch me, I'm sterile. Uh-oh, not again.